Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love walking around the house and I love having something on my feet when I'm doing that. These gorgeous house slippers from Homitem are a really comfy slipper that lets me walk all over the house and even outside with no problem. The slippers are made out of a nice, warm, fuzzy material that is super comfy and soft. I love the print on the top as well as the threading around the sides. That is also well stitched and it does not have any fraying even after a few weeks of use. The inside of the slippers is also made with that really fuzzy, comfy flannel type material, and it has memory foam, so these are really comfortable when you're walking around. In addition, the bottom of the slippers has a nice skid-proof material. It's lightweight even though they look heavy, which is something that I really like because I had slippers before that were very heavy when walking around the house. In addition to it being slip-proof, the material is also nice and firm so that you could walk outside, running out to the mailbox or running to grab something, and you'll have no problem. You don't have to worry about them getting wet or having any kind of issues on your feet when you come back in. The slippers are very, very comfy. I love how cozy and warm that they feel, and it's so nice to be able to wear them around the house. You can easily slip them on and just as easily slip them off, and your feet will be feeling super comfy all day. These would make a great gift either for someone or just get them for yourself as well, and you'll be nice and comfy with these slippers. That's just my point of view.